These are the notes about angles and measuring angles that you should take down in your notebook. We covered this in class on Tuesday, March 21st. Angles are like the hands on a clock. There are two rays that meet at a point called the vertex. The starting point of the rays is always 0. A full turn around a circle is 360 parts. We measure the parts as degrees. Each part is 1/360th of a full turn, or a 1-degree turn. There are 360 1-degree turns in a circle. Right angle always measures exactly 90 degrees, 1/4 of a full turn. Here's an example of a right angle. Acute angle, less than 90 degrees. Here's an example of an acute angle. Obtuse angle is more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. Here's an example of an obtuse angle. A straight angle measures exactly 180 degrees, half of a full turn. Here's an example of a straight angle. Reflex angle measures more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees, or a full turn. Here's an example of a reflex angle. Benchmark angles: 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. "90 degrees is 1/4 of a full turn. 180 degrees is a half of a full turn. 270 degrees is 3/4 of a whole turn. And 360 degrees is 1 full turn. We name angles using the letters labeling each ray and their vertex, or the point where they meet. For example, ray P, meeting point or vertex Q, ray R. Therefore, we can title this angle PQR or RQP.